not going our way. So we're gonna go fish. Basically, not really wanting to deal with all that. So I threw on. It's a little tiny minnow. I keep seeing fish jump back there. So I'm gonna throw this one back there, a little bit smaller than what I just had on, so it should be better. A whole lot lighter. Gonna have to adjust to that. So already getting attacked. He's literally about to eat it right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. First fish on the new Daiwa. Look at that. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. Like shit. Let's appreciate the sunfish real quick. Oh my gosh. Look at that colors on that thing. Alright, let's get this guy back. And continue fishing. Get a nice release on him. Alrighty. Let's get back at it. There's a bunch of creek chub in here. I want to catch one of those because they should be mating right now and they'll have a bunch of colors on them. So I'm excited for that. It kind of messed up my lure a little bit, so let's fix this. Alright, let's continue on down here. There's a waterfall coming up. It sounds like, or a set of rapids, so I don't know, I've never been back this far, I've never been back here, never fished here. Happy to catch a fish, that's all that matters. Alright. We're getting deeper. Oh, dude. I just have a feeling there's fish in here, and I'm getting excited. Oh, I'm getting excited. I'm gonna cross over and fish it from this log area. Because look at, oh my gosh, look at all that. Oh, I've never been back here. I'm so fucking excited right now. Oh, I just watched him eat it. Come back for it, come back for it. Oh. That little red eye wanted it, dude. He wanted it bad. Let's see if he wants it again. Kmart cart right there. That's crazy. Oh, we're on. Oh my gosh. Smallmouth. Oh. Largemouth from the river? Oh wait, no, it is a smallie. I was tweaking. Hold on. Wait. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my gosh, dude. Move my back towards the sun so I can get a little color on this guy. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Backwater creek exploring. Watched him eat it the first time. Right in the lip where it's supposed to be. Oh my goodness. Alright. There we go. That little guy. Damn. That honestly might be a largemouth. I think it is. That's insane. First ever river largie. Okay. Great cast. Great. Alright. We're at 15 minutes left of storage on here. I have just put up to a beautiful, beautiful fishing spot. I'm gonna fish this entire thing and hopefully catch a few fish. Okay, so first cast, had a fish, did not keep him somehow. Came off, but we're gonna go again. Same spot. Twitch. Red eye. Gotta lip him. He's a bass. At heart, he's a bass. In his mind, he's a bass. Alright. Nice real release. He's off. See, if you just like loosen your drag, it's fun, you know. They might get off more, but you actually get to fight a fish instead of just fucking ricking them in. Let's get one more from this hole. I see another one hanging out. Oh, he's scrapping. I think he literally just fought my lure and lost to it. When I tell you this might be the same fucking dumbass fish. Dude, this is the exact same fish I just caught. Literally the exact same fish. Y'all probably can't see it, but right there's a fucking hole for my hook. Dude, don't eat it again. You see what it looks like? You see what I look like? Let's not eat it again. Come on, bucko. Alright. Third cast. I guess this is fourth cast technically, but alright, well I hear there's a duck face down, ass up over there. Stealing all my little bait fish. According to a local source, it's a good day of fishing. I'm gonna grab. I really do want to use this guy again, but his face. Alright. Busting out my favorite fucking lure known to man. The drip swimmer. Nothing is better than this lure. Because where else are you going to get lures that look like this? Besides whenever you catch a fucking bait fish. Boom. Just like that. Ready to slay. Alright. That rock wall